Hello and welcome back. Today we're talking about cost and usage reports, or CUR, or CUR for short, in AWS. So cost and usage reports, this is what it looks like. Just remember that it contains the most comprehensive set of cost and usage data. So it gives you all the details you can possibly get in cost and usage data. If you see an exam question like that, then definitely the answer will be cost and usage reports. You can receive reports like this that break down your cost by hour, day, or month, by product or product resource, by user-defined cost allocation tags, and more. There's just some examples. It includes additional metadata about AWS services, pricing, and reserved instances, which are not in the standard AWS billing reports. It can be delivered in CSV format to an Amazon S3 bucket that you specify, and then you can set it to automatically update daily. So AWS will update it for you daily if you like. And it can be analyzed with Amazon QuickSight and AWS Athena, as well as you can, of course, download it and analyze it with your own outside third-party tools. So there you go, cost and usage reports. Just remember for the exam, they provide the most comprehensive set of cost and usage data. I look forward to seeing you back here next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.